Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will show you how to speed up video in CapCut. We will start by opening an existing project in CapCut or create a new one using the video you wish to speed up. It's okay if you want to increase the speed of the entire video, but sometimes you might want to speed up only a specific segment. In that case, select the desired portion on the timeline. Once you've made your selection, decide the starting point for the speed increase, for example, at a specific moment, and then tap Split Lost at the top left corner above the timeline. Next, determining the point where the speed increase should end. Select it and again hit Split. Now you can either choose the entire video or just the section you've isolated for speeding up with your selection. Go to the top right corner, click on Speed, and then select Increase the speed as you wish. Here you'll find a slider that allows you to adjust the speed up to a maximum of 100 times for this example. Let's set it to 2 times the normal speed. When you play it back, you'll notice the speed increase at the designated parts. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments for more tips.